Hi, this is my portfolio project on my Cred portfolio. My name is Kelly Martin. It has my address, 3332 Truman Drive, Holiday, Florida, 34691. Phone number 352-651-1398. My email is b00521-638@bryantandstratton.edu. It has my educational background, one of my portfolio projects. Family Theory is another portfolio project. It has my educational background, my high school, and I graduated with my associate's degree from Bryant Stratton. My resume and my cover letter. My public health portfolio project. My healthcare management portfolio project, which was about policies, procedures, healthcare management on grievances with patients not receiving the adequate care they should have received, with doctors, the outcome, the institutional outcome was analyze the impact and interaction of public policy issues with human service, including legal considerations, funding mechanisms related to nonprofit, private, and public human service agencies. It was also with statutes, regulations, anytime any new policies came out or updated policies came out with Medicare and Medicaid, how they were issued, and how the healthcare managers had to update them and then submit them to the agencies, organizations. Now the next thing in my Cred is public health. I demonstrated an understanding of conditions and factors which present challenges, as well as those that promote successful human functioning, along with demonstrate knowledge of the structure and dynamics of individuals, groups, families, organizations, communities, and society as they fit within the historical development of human service delivery, and transfer knowledge, skills, and behaviors acquired through formal and informal learning and life experiences to new situations. Also participate in social, academic, and professional communities for individual growth and to function as a citizen of a multicultural world. This project was about this is on bipolar disorder. There's 5 different bipolar disorders and how they can co-occur with substance abuse, about different symptoms, different medications used for it, mental health policies, treatment, prevention, and rehab, how some individuals can work, ways of them going about working, explaining to their managers and explain to them about their bipolar, how having their schedules be modified, how it affects their family. That was that portfolio project. Let me go back into the CRED. Okay. I also have my bio. I just went back to school after graduating high school after 30 years. I earned my associate's degree in September 2018 for medical billing and coding, and I just went back September 2020 to get my bachelor's degree so I can become a substance abuse counselor after losing my stepson to a overdose. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed looking at my CRED portfolio.